Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I have got something different, completely different, and I have something also that's exciting. Well, for me anyway. Now I got this, it's a kit, but before you say, oh my goodness Alison, that's not crochet and craft, this is craft. This is craft on an exceptional level. Now, what I've got in here is from a company called Babylon Leather. Now, look at this. This is so exciting for me. I really so want to do this. Now, this is a bag building kit, a leather bag. Make your own leather bag. Make your own. I have seen these. I've seen these and I've thought, oh my goodness. Look at this. It says, unleash your creativity with Babylon Leather. Now, they do deliver worldwide, almost worldwide. So if you're in the USA, you can get these. If you're in the UK, you can get these. If you're in Europe, you can get these. Now, there will be a 20% off site-wide. So anything you buy on the site, you'll get 20% off with a code that will be underneath the video. Now, if you're going to buy a kit like this, now I did notice when I put the website up on my computer, there's a 30% off on all kits. So if you're just buying a kit, use the codes that are on the website. But if you're buying a little mix and match for different things for gifts or just something small to try this out, then use the 20% off that's underneath the video with my name on it. Now, there is lots of things to choose from. You can get a complete kit. Now, this whole kit has got a list of what's in it, and you don't need a sewing machine. You're saying, I don't have a sewing machine. So you do not need a sewing machine for this. You don't need a sewing machine. Now, it's really easy, especially for beginners, and I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this, and look at this. Now, it tells you, I'll leave that just there just now, there is a little code. Now you can scan that with your phone and it will actually show you how to build this bag. There is a tutorial showing you how. You can go on YouTube and I can figure out how to do this. Now I should be able to do it anyway. Now it says there is a free gift. It says a finished pony pendant is the free gift. So you've got this, oh look, there's a little, that's already done. That's already made. Now I think you can buy these as well. Now you get all the thread, you get the needles, you're putting it together, you're stitching through. Now the holes are already pierced. So you don't need to go stabbing in there. You don't need to do that. Now look at that. So you get that free. You can hang that on your bag once you've made it. Very personal. Put your name on it. You get that. Now this, I don't know what that's for. We'll find out what that's for. We will find out what that is for. And you get the whole kit. I'm going to put that up there. And that's a little free gift. It's already made. You can hang that on your bag. You can actually put that on your handle before you sew your handle on if you want it. Or you can just keep it as a little pendant gift for someone else. Now, every kit that they've got, there is a tutorial for it. So you can go on their website, you can go on their YouTube channel as well. And they do have an excellent customer service that tells you if you encounter any problems that you can go and you'll get some help. Now, this is all very simple and easy to start. For beginners, you can smoothly complete a project. So you get all the kit that you need, everything you need to build this. For me, this is a tote bag, is in this kit. You've got the thread, you've got all the clips, you've got the snips, you've got the little rubber finger things that go on your fingers so it'll hold the needles. You get a stack of needles as well. Now we'll find out what that is for. You've got this little pin. There's a screwdriver. What's the screwdriver for? So we're going to be screwing something on. You've got your belt, you've got your clips, you've got your little snippy scissors for your thread. Now we'll have a little look. There is something in there with screws. So I take it's going to be the buckles and the clips. So you'll be screwing those on. Be careful, Alison. Be very careful. Be careful what you say. Now you've got everything in here that you need to build this bag. All their kits, it's all genuine cow leather. Now it did say that the cowhide leather is full grain leather and top grain leather. Now I don't know what that actually means. I don't know what full grain and top grain means, but look at this. The pattern for the bag, I'm going to take that out of there, take it out of that box. Oh, don't we like that, don't we? How many people actually love bursting those? You can actually they brought these out as a toy as well, where you can actually buy these and sit and pop them all day long and then push them back in and pop it all again. But it's not quite the same as actually doing it with this, is it? It's not quite the same. So I'm going to pop this aside. So all the pinholes are already done on this kit. So you don't need to pierce anything, and they're all very precise when you're fitting this bag together. So simple even for beginners. Now I told my daughter I was getting one of these, and she says, I've seen them on YouTube, I've seen them on TikTok, I've seen people building these, Mum, they're absolutely amazing, you're going to love it. Now, what have I lost down there? A ball of yarn fell down. Now the zip is already on. Oh, that's excellent. I was going to be worried about the zip, but they've already did the zip for you. So look at this. All these pinholes all perfectly match up. Now that is definitely, I know it's going, is that the inside? There is going to be all the details that you need. You can go on their website. Tells you how to build it. Once you've built one of these, I think you could get the gist of how it's all done. Now you've got all the parts. It tells you there. Mine's is called Epsom leather, and the colour is khaki. And this is a Babylon Trapeze bag. It's a Babylon Trapeze bag, and it's in khaki Epsom leather. Look at that, that's beautiful. And it is leather, you can feel it's leather. It's so soft, look at that grain. Smell it. Wow, it smells like leather shoes. Now it's going to tell you how to build this. This is going to be the inside of it. I know that already, because this tote bag has, look, it's got sides. You've got your sides. You've got your sides of the bag. You can see where your stuff's going to go. That's going to be the inside. So when you stitch this, I know it's going to go with that zip. That's going to go there. And that one is going to turn that way. And you're going to sandwich it, but you've got your sides. Some of the parts are already studied on for you, like these ones. Now it tells you get the QWERTY code here and you scan it with your phone. There's a little app where you can scan codes with your phone, and it's going to take you to their YouTube channel. Now they've also got worldwide free shipping. So who does free shipping these days? So you can get it shipped to you free. It usually takes between 6 and 12 days. I got this 5 days. 5 days after ordering it. The kit includes all the tools, everything you need to make a beautiful tote bag. Now, there is these. There's all the details about this company that you need to know. Look at some of those bags, they're stunning. Now, it's not just bags, it's not just handbags. There's purses or wallets, whatever you call it in the USA. There's all different kits. Now, it's not just kits. You can buy the leather. You can buy the patterns that are pre-cut. You can buy the hardware separate. That's all these stud things. All the kits come with a tutorial. So I'm going to have to put, what I'll do with this, I'll show you all the things that you get in the kit. And then I'm going to do another video where I'm going to have their tutorial on my computer that's right in front of me here. And I am going to make this. So we've got, these are the sides. Even I know what parts of most women that use a bag or a purse, as I say in the USA. You've got your sides, you've got the bottom, that's quite hefty as well, that's good and solid, and all the little pinholes look so easy to stitch through. You've got straps, you've got all the pieces that you need to build your bag, all the pieces that will cover your straps and your handles. Now I'm going to keep all that together. I'll put that one down there because that one's got the zip on. Really? This is my cheap fake leather. Now look at this. This is cheap fake leather. Now look at this. Look at this is real cowhide leather. Look at that. Absolutely. And it's good and solid and thick. It's not solid. It's quite sort of nice and soft. But it's thick. Now look at my cheap little fake stuff. My worktop is clashing. I should have got a different colour. She got a different colour. But then these are the handles. It's going to tell you how to make it. I'm going to do another video and I'm going to be stitching this together. Do you know what this looks like? The old 70s and 80s design of... Is it Chanel that did this? No, it was... Oh, who was it that did that chain? You see it's shirts made with this silk. A couple of little silk ties. Now, I didn't see in the pack what that was for. It's maybe a free gift. I'll find out what it is. But this bag is called the Trapeze Tote Bag. And it comes in caramel, khaki. There's a black, a brown... That's it. It's the 4 colours that comes in. The whole kit is there, but there's more than one kit. There is a phenomenal amount of kits. And even though I've got arthritis, I think I can do this. I am 100% sure that I am going to manage to do this and make this beautiful, genuine leather tote bag. So if you know who did this, I'm saying Coco Chanel. It's not, I don't think it is Coco Chanel. It's one of the other big branded ones. Now, I don't think it's Gucci. I don't think it was Gucci. If you know who it is, put it in the comments who brought this out. I remember silk scarves done like this. I remember silk scarves with this. I even remember some of my neighbours in the village that I got brought up with these silk scarves on with this kind of pattern on it. I will leave all the links underneath in the video for you, and I'll get that code where you can get money off. That will be underneath the video. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you click on the bell icon, YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, I will do a video on this. I'm definitely 100% going to do a video on this. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.